Want to create this effect? It's perfect for reels, shorts or advertisement. It takes just a couple of minutes in DaVinci Resolve. Create Fusion composition, add it to the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add background node and connect it to media out. Add text node and connect it using a merge node. Enter your text. Choose font and size. Move to the beginning of the clip. In Layout tab, set keyframe for the size parameter. In the Shading tab, set keyframe for opacity and set the value to 0. Add blur node. Set blur size to 30 and add keyframe. Move 5 frames forward and reduce blur size to 1. Set text node opacity to 1. And size to 0.6. Move another 20 frames forward and set size to 0.55. Keep opacity and blur size unchanged, only add keyframes. Move 5 frames forward, set blur size to 25. Opacity to 0. Reduce size to 0.25. Done. If you need multiple repeating phrase, just duplicate the effect group, replace the tag, and shift the keyframes in the keyframes panel. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to channel.